What if a solar eclipse over a rainforest sparked a momentary glow that brought nocturnal beasts and plants into a fragile shared secret? During the eclipse, glowworms and bioluminescent mushrooms painted the understory, while a shy jaguar prowled the dim mosaic of roots. In the minutes of darkness, the fern fronds trembled, releasing a scent that lured fruit bats to pause, feeding on moonlit nectar. As dawn returned, rare orchids and mosses formed a memory of that hour, guiding pollinators along a renewed, unseen path. The forest kept the echoes of that strange alignment, a reminder that natural events can briefly rewrite an entire food web.